Hello everyone. I very often use old operating systems like Windows Server 2008 or 2 or Windows 7 in my practice. Naturally, I want them to be updated and secure, but their initial state does not allow downloading new updates. When trying to download them from the Update Center, an eternal error with the code 80072F appears. This problem is due to the fact that your system cannot verify the certificate that the downloaded updates are signed with. To get around this, there are two KB updates. The first is KB4474419, the second is KB3138612. You can download them from the Microsoft Update Catalog. I will attach the links in the description of the video. It seems to be a simple situation: download 2 KB files and install them, but this situation is very funny, since the clipboard does not work in the guest system. To solve this, you can try to install the VMware Tools integration drivers, but here you will find another joke. To install VMware Tools drivers, you need to select this option in the context menu of the virtual machine. As a result, a disk with the distribution will be connected in the guest system. Let's start the installation. The installation of VMware Tools itself is a simple process and usually does not cause any questions, but in this particular case you will encounter the problem that all the drivers simply will not be installed. For each driver, the error setup failed to install the memory control driver automatically. This driver will have to be installed manually will pop up. You can try to ignore this message and choose to try to install them anyway, but as a result, you will have the drivers being installed rolled back. After which the VMware Tools installation wizard will be completed, all for the same reason that the system does not trust the certificates in the drivers. To successfully get out of this situation, we need to somehow install the previously downloaded security updates. In the previous video, I told you how to create your own ISO image with the necessary files. The link to this video will be in the right corner. I will use this ISO. Let me show you its contents in 7-zip file manager. Go to the properties of the virtual machine and mount this ISO image. Next, open the mounted disk in Windows Explorer and install security updates KB4474419 and KB3138612 one by one. Then reboot the system. After rebooting, we remount the disk with the VMware Tools drivers, log into the system and try to reinstall. This time we had no problems with checking the digital signature of the drivers and everything was installed successfully. We must reboot. After rebooting, open Windows Update and try to search for updates again. This process may take some time. In my example it is 7 to 10 minutes. After that, error 80072F did not appear and I had a list of available updates. As you can see, it was not difficult. If you still have any questions, I will be happy to see them in the comments under this video. I hope that I was able to help you in your situation. Have a nice day everyone.